There are lots of different diets out there, including several that cast carbohydrates as bad guys. While too much of anything can be a problem, healthy carbohydrates are a necessary source of energy. So, engineers, let's talk about making friends with carbohydrates. First, we'll cover what carbs are. Then we'll discuss how the body uses them. Finally, we'll offer some easy tips to help you choose healthy carbohydrates to provide energy for the body and brain. Chemically, carbohydrates are compounds composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, and belong to one of three categories: sugars, starches, or fiber. Simple sugars are quickly broken down into glucose. The starches and fiber that make up fruits, vegetables, and grains are made up of long chains of sugars that take longer to break down and provide more sustained energy. Glucose is converted into ATP, which is required for muscle contractions, conducting nerve impulses, and pumping ions across cell membranes to maintain electrolyte balance. But perhaps most importantly, glucose is the brain's preferred fuel. Some glucose is stored in skeletal muscles as glycogen, which is released when blood sugar levels are low. Although certain amino acids and body fat can be converted into energy, these processes evolved to help humans survive when food was scarce, not to provide a regular source of energy. Between 45 to 65% of your calories should come from carbohydrates. This doesn't mean just bread, rice, and pasta, however. It also includes fruits, vegetables, dairy, and vegetable protein sources like beans. When you're busy, it's easy to fall back on white bread or foods with a lot of sugar to meet your carbohydrate needs, but quality is much more important than quantity. Here are some healthy swaps you can try. How about a bran muffin or a whole grain cereal instead of a plain bagel, or whole grain bread on your sandwich? Popcorn is a great whole grain substitute for potato chips, and you can swap your candy bar for a piece of fruit. So, remember, carbohydrates are a critical part of your diet because they provide the glucose that fuels your brain and body functions. Focus on whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and beans, which will digest slowly and provide a steady source of energy. A meal or snack that combines carbohydrates with protein and healthy fats provides optimal energy for powering through P-sets, labs, or your next workout. For more health and wellness tips, check out mitpe.mit.edu.